Pension forms and commutation forms. Disclaimer: this training material is for use in training of officials. It should not be referred as guideline of government. In case of any variance in this training material, the government guidelines, rules, laws shall prevail. In this video, we will learn different pension forms. Form number 1. It is about nomination for retirement gratuity, death gratuity when government servant has a family. Form number 2. It is about nomination for retirement gratuity, death gratuity when government has no family. Form number 3 is about details of family. Form number 5 is about particulars to be obtained by head of the office from the retiring government servant 8 months before the date of his retirement. Form number 7. It is about assessment of pension or family pension and gratuity. The part 2 of the same form is shown on the screen. Form 8. It is about letter to the account officer forwarding the pension papers of a government servant. Form number 10 is about letter by head of the office to the member or members of the family of a deceased government servant where a valid nomination for DCRG exists. Form number 11 is about letter by the head of the office to the member or members of the family of a deceased government servant where valid nomination for DCRG does not exist. Form 12. It is about application for the grant of death gratuity on the death of a government servant. Form 13. Letter by head of the office to the widow or widower of a deceased government servant for grant of family pension. Form 14. Application form for grant of family pension on the death of a government servant or pensioner. Form 18. Assessment and authorization of payment of family pension and death gratuity when a government servant dies while in service. The section 2 and part 2 is also shown on the screen. Form 19. Letter to the account officer forwarding papers for grant of family pension and death gratuity to the family of a government servant who dies while in service. Form 20. It is about a letter sanctioning family pension to the child or children of a retired government servant who dies after retirement but does not leave behind a widow or widower. Form 21. It is about a letter sanctioning family pension to the child or children on the death or remarriage of a widow or widower who was in receipt of family pension. Form 22. It is about application for the grant of residuary gratuity on the death of a pensioner. Form 26. It is about form of undertaking. Other documents to be submitted along with pension forms. Application for pension in duplicate. 2 copies of forms containing specimen signature, thumb impression in case of illiterate, height and identification mark. 3 copies of 4x6 cm joint or separate photograph of employee and spouse. Now we will see different forms of commutation of pension. Form number 1. It is about application for commutation of a percentage of pension without medical examination. Form 1A. It is about application for commutation of superannuation pension without medical examination when applicant desires that the payment of the commuted value of pension should be authorized through the pension payment order. Form 2. Application for commutation of pension after medical examination. In this video, we have learned about different pension and commutation forms. If you have any doubt or want any clarification, then you can contact with the mail as shown on the screen. For other videos on rules and regulations, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.